Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to create a subpage in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and let's go to the Wix website editor. So from here, we can just click Edit Site, and when you click on it, your Wix website editor will automatically open in a new tab. I already have the tab right here for my Wix website, and then here is my Wix website editor. So from here, as you can see, I have my menu right here and it has a lot of different pages right here. So what I want to do is that I can create sub pages of the menu right here so that I can clean up my menu right here so that it doesn't look like it has so much content in here. So to do that, we can just go to pages and menu, and a simple way of making a sub page of another page is that I can just drag this page to the right, and then you can see a line right here below the page, and then when I release the page right here, it automatically becomes a sub page. So the our mission page is now having a sub page right here of the our vision page. Another way that you can do this, so for example, if you want to remove the subpage, you can just drag it to the left again and then it will be removed. Or you can just also click the three dots right here and then click subpage right here. So I'll make our vision page the subpage again by just clicking the three dots. So let's just scroll down right here so that we can see the option and then click subpage. And then as you can see, it will do the same thing. It will make the vision page a subpage of the mission page. Another way is that we can add a menu item, and then let's say I want to have a drop down item right here. So I'll say that this will be the about item. Click done. Let's move it right here at the top of the page. And then we will make the mission page as an item of our about page. So let's fix this right here. So our mission page is now inside of the about drop down item right here, and then we can also do it to our vision page. Now we have this one, and then when we hover our mouse to our menu, when we go to the about item, it shows right here the our mission page and then the our vision page. And then that is it. So that is basically how you can create a sub page right here in Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.